Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. Today we discuss about the FA3 Maths class 6th. Okay, so first one, which number represent the shaded part of the figure? So in this figure there is 10 parts. In this 10 parts there is only 2 parts are shaded. So what the fraction? 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 is nothing but how much? Its value is 0.2. Next, what is the correct way to represent the length of 5 centimeter and 3 millimeter? So 1 millimeter is how much? 1 by 10 centimeter. Actually 1 centimeter is how many parts? How much? 10 millimeter. Then 1 millimeter is equal to how much? 1 by 10. So 3 millimeter means 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 value is 0.3. So 5 centimeter plus 3 millimeter, nothing but 5 plus 0.3 is equal to 5.3 centimeter. Next, Ramu ate 3 by 5 of the chocolate and Rani ate 4 by 7 of the chocolate. Who ate more chocolate and by how much? So Ramu is 3 by 5, Rani is 4 by 7. So here we can do that. 3 by 5 is multiplied with 7, 4 by 7 fraction is multiplied with 5. So 3 7 is 21, 4 5 is 20. So Ramu ate 21 by 35, Rani ate 20 by 35. So who more? Ramu. So Ramu ate more. How much? 1 by 35. The sum of two like fractions. Like fractions means what? The denominator is same. So 2 by m and 7 by n is 9 by 13. Which of the following is true about m and n? So m is 13, n is 13. So m plus n is 13 plus 13. That is how much? 26. Next, consider the following statement. Statement 1. 175 pies can be expressed as 1 rupee 75. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 75 pies is changing into rupees, that is 0.75. So 1 rupee 75 pies we can write as 1.75 rupees. Same. Next, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So here 1680 kilometer we can represent as 1.680. So what is the correct answer? So statement 1 is correct. Next, choose the fraction represent the unshaded part. So total the parts are 16, shaded parts are 12, unshaded part is 4. What the fraction? Unshaded fraction 4 by 16. Its value is 1 by 4. The pictograph below shows 4 flavors of ice cream and the number of boys and girls who like each flavor. So vanilla boys 2, number of girls. Okay, how many more girls liked strawberry flavor than boys? So strawberry boys. Okay, that is each symbol is 4 boys. There is 2 symbols. 4 2 is 8. Girls is 4 symbols. So each symbol is 4. So 4 4 is 16. So how many more? 8. So the option is C. Next, if A and B are two proper fractions, then A and B is. So for example, A is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. So its value is 0.5. B is 1 by 5. B its value is 0.2. So A and B. So when you multiply 0.5 to 0.2, we can get 0.01. So that means A into B is less than A and B. So what the option? B. Next. A teacher asked 35 students, what is your favorite color? So red 9, blue 8, green 6, yellow 10, pink 2. So here what is the difference between the number of students who have chosen most liked color and least liked color? So most is yellow, least is 2. So yellow is 10, pink is 2. What the difference? 8. What the option? C. Next, what must be added 700th to get 1? 700th, 100th means 1 by 100. 700th means 7 into 1 by 100. Its value is 0.07. So for 0.07, how much you can adding it is become 1 means 0.93. So what the option? D. What is the value of 7 kg 250 grams, 8 kg 50 grams, 6 kg 750 grams? So first adding the 7 kg 250, 8 kg 50 grams, you can get 15 grams 300. From this you can subtract 6 kg 750 grams. So then we can get 8 kg 550 grams. Next, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So the value of 5 by 6 is 0 point something. For 5 by 8 0.6, 5 by 11 is 0.4, 5 by 14 is 0.3. So big to small is descending, small to big is ascending. So 5 by 14, 5 by 11, 5 by 8, 5 by 6. So here we can say another way is also. So the numerator is same, in the denominator which is the greatest, that is the smallest, that fraction is smallest. So 5 by 14, 14 is the biggest denominator, so its value is smallest. Another smallest is 5 by 11. Next 5 by 8, 5 by 6. Next, how many divisions does Feroz have? So each symbol is 4. So Feroz having how many symbols are 5? 5 4 ja 20. Next, 2 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2. So 2 1 by 2 is a which fraction? Mixed fraction. So its improper fraction is 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. These two are like fractions. Write the common denominator. 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal 8 by 2 is equal 4. So 1 3 by 4, 2 1 by 4. So 7 by 4 plus 7 by 9 by 4. 7 plus 9 16 by 4. Its value is 4. Next, from the numbers 1 to 100, what is the fraction of multiples of 10 to the multiples of 5? So multiples of 10 is 10, multiples of 5 is 20. So what the fraction? 10 by 20. Its value is 1 by 2. Thank you for watching my videos.